Hey, good morning everybody. Welcome back to Figs Outside. Beautiful day here. It's been really nasty and rainy and drizzly, and so we're doing a little unboxing. Been package I've been waiting for a while, and it's from Tier 1 Concealed. In case you don't know, they are a holster company, and they design holsters, and they have belts and apparel and all that. So I've been waiting for this holster for a while, and it's appendix carry. So anyway, we're gonna do a little unboxing. Invoice here. Ordered this holster. This holster is going to be for my Glock 27. And with this, I ordered these wedges, and they're in different sizes and different heights. You guys can see that. So we'll get to those here in a little bit. Cool. Shot cord, and we'll get to this here in a little bit as well. Ah, cool. And a Tier 1 sticker. Two of them. Pretty cool. Alright, so this holster comes in a nice little bag. Well, that's pretty slick. I think they call them cinch. I think they call those cinch bags. But anyway, it's got the logo on it. Pretty nice bag here. Let's check this thing out. Alright, so this here is the Tier 1 Aegis Elite. This holster is an appendix carry holster, so it'll be right here. And cool thing about this holster is it flexes. So it flexes and it can move with your body. So this piece right here, the string that you see right here is military grade shot cord. It's kind of like a bungee. So anyway, it allows that holster to flex with your stomach, your torso. So on the back, it's got an adjustment clip. So I ordered spare shot cord and button. You get these holsters in all different colors. This one is the coyote brown, and you can do custom where you can get a different color for the front and different color for the back, different colored shot cords. They even have a lot of cool colors from Cryptek and stuff, and you pay a little extra money for those, but I really like this coyote brown with the black. So anyway, these are the belt clips. You can also get them with guilty clips, so they will, instead of like sliding on your belt if you're wearing shorts or something where you're not wearing a belt, those clips, you can also order those, and they snap to your waistband. So anyway, pretty cool. Some features with this is it's got what they call a claw. It kind of looks like a wing, but it's the concealment claw, and these are fully adjustable for your ride height. And with that rides underneath your belt, and so what that does is it rides underneath your belt, and it just kind of pushes that gun back into your stomach a little bit and conceals it a little more. And same with this, it's called a concealment ridge on the magazine carrier, and what that does, it does the same thing. Your belt comes right across here, and it kind of just pushes that in a little bit. You can see that. It doesn't take much, but it just pushes that magazine into your belly a little bit more, so you get a little more concealment without it printing in the front. It has magazine retention, which I don't know if you guys can see that right there, but that is the magazine retention. And it also has the magazine retention on the back side for your weapon as well. So they've done a lot of improvements over these other over the last few, I guess. But I said this is the Aegis Elite. They also have what they call the Aegis, and it's got buttons that run down here instead of a shot cord, and it's still flexible. It's still able to move, but you can pop it and it comes apart. So, but pretty awesome. So that's what that is. And then these wedges. So these wedges actually sit on the back side of your holster, and what that does is it's got sticky tape on the back. You want to leave this on there if you use these, and that just allows it to slide in and out a little bit easier. It won't catch on this neoprene, so it kind of adds durability and slickness. And so you take that off and you press to the back, and what that does is it creates a wedge. And so what that does is it pushes the bottom of the gun out just a tiny bit while it pushes the top of your weapon into your belly a little bit more. So that kind of pushes that handle in, so you don't have the handle poking out. It pushes into your belly. And they're supposed to be really, really comfortable. And I'll give an update later after I wear this thing for a week or two, and I'll let you guys know how it feels. And so with that, they've added these gusseting down here on the side. I guess the older models didn't have that, and this just adds strength and durability. They've done that on each side. So, sorry, this is the sweat guard on the back side. You can get these in 3 different heights: low, medium, and high. This is the medium cut. The Elite holsters are already pre-cut for optics, if you run an optic sight on your weapon. So anyway, but that's it. The Tier 1 Aegis Elite. You can check them out at tier1concealment.com, and you can see their whole lineup and all the different colors that they have. I paid let's see, roughly about 120 bucks for this holster. So pretty awesome. Can't wait to try it, and here in a minute I'll do a review when it's on me. So there it is there. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys here in a little bit. Alright, so back. I played around with that holster a little bit from Tier 1 Concealed, the Aegis Elite. So anyway, here it is. I'm not a big guy. I'm 6 foot, I'm 200 pounds. I'm actually 6'1", 200 pounds. So as you can see, there it is there. There's not a whole lot of printing going on. See it there. So I kind of played around with it for the ride height, for the claw, what they call, and this weapon or system. You can see it flexes really, really well, and there it is. And so for video purposes, you can see it in there. Chamber clear, magwell clear, and 0 bullets in the magazine. So I'm going to start off like this simply because I'm not used to this system yet, and so you need to get proficient and efficient with everything you have, and you need to use the gear that you have. And so with it, I'm going to use an empty magazine, and I'm going to practice off camera, obviously, but this is for this video. So we know that the weapon's clear. You can hear it. Makes a nice little click when it snaps in. Got the right height adjusted, got everything adjusted, fits really well. I love it. It's really comfortable so far. Bend down with it, squat with it. It's really, really comfortable so far. And the only thing that I might do is I might add that little wedge, just to see what that's like. So there's the little wedge piece right there, and so it'll sit there, and what that does is it'll push that weapon system in just a tiny bit and push the bottom out, and it'll get it off that the pelvic bone or whatever they call it. But anyway, so there it is. It's very comfortable so far. I'm loving it. Can't wait. The biggest thing, as you know, part of the weapon safety rule is never point your weapon at anything you do not intend to shoot or destroy. And so with that, the wife was a little worried. She's like, "Oh my gosh, like, you know, you shouldn't be pointing it at that area." I usually carry the 4 o'clock. I've been wanting to go appendix. I tried appendix holster several years ago. I didn't like it. It was very uncomfortable, but with all these new systems coming out, they're really comfortable. They designed them a lot better. And so, but the biggest thing is indexing your finger with any weapon. You need to have that muscle memory to always index your finger when holstering, drawing, reholstering your weapon. That's simple fundamentals. It's muscle memory. So I've had training in that. I've done other trainings. So anyway, always be sure that finger's indexed when you reholster your weapon. Same with drawing. If you're one of those guys that wants to put that finger on the trigger, yeah, you're going to have issues no matter where you carry. Would it be safer to shoot yourself in the leg or the butt cheek? Yes, so to speak, but you need to have that muscle memory and have good skills and muscle memory for those drawing techniques to get that weapon out, you know, to be in front. Same thing, you know, you're drawing, flick that mag in, reset, and you're ready to go. So, anyway, very nice. And play around with it. You need to try it out before you just get your rig all set up and you put your weapon in there and you just go out into the world, because you don't know what's going to happen. You don't know how it works yet. So get efficient, get proficient with it, use it, practice with it, and check your gear. You always need to check your gear. And so with this, when I first put it in the holster, it set in really well. I could draw it fairly easily, and it had a nice little snap to it to know that it was locked, it was clicked in, it was secured. But then once I got it in my pants line with the belt around it, it was very difficult to pull out. I had to back the retention off of it, because it was like pulling, and I had to really pull on that thing to get it out of there. So I adjusted it, and now it's very nice. It's very smooth. Same with the magazine. The magazine was just a little tight, a little more tighter than I like, so I adjusted it. I messed with it. And now it's really nice, slick, and secure. You can get that weapon going, you know. So, anyway, that's it right there. It's got those two belt clips. Comes out very easily. So, anyway, thanks for watching. And that is the Tier 1 Concealed. If you like this video, if it helped you out at all, sorry, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. So, hope it gave you a little more information about Tier 1 Concealed, and I can't say enough about them so far. I've been reading a lot of reviews. You could also check them out. They have videos on their YouTube channel as well, and you could also check out the Warrior Poet Society's channel, and he does a review on the Tier 1 Concealed weapon holsters. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day. Oh, also on a quick side note, so I don't have it on, I placed it down, I put it back in. This system goes in very easy. Pants are just a little bit loose. Take it, like I said, I just got this thing, so be practicing with getting it in and out of the waistline. There it is there. So very quick, very easy, nice and secure, and also, as you've seen, very easy to take off as well. So we'll check it out. Actually, let's do a little video on this as well. Settle down, settle down, settle down. So, there it is. I'm gonna go in, place this weapon in here. Since I did it with the sweatshirt on, if you're not gonna wear a sweatshirt, summertime, you know, you're not gonna want it on there. So, there it is, weapon's good to go. Adjusted the belt, and there. Fully concealed. There's the weapon. So, looks good. I'm not sucking in my stomach. This is how it is, naturally standing. So, really well. You can twist, you can move, you can bend, sit down. You know, squatting with this system on, it's not poking me in the lower abdomen, in the bladder area. It's actually riding really, really well. Feels really great. bend over with it. So now the video's over, and as you can see, a closer look, you don't see any printing of the weapon, but it's there. All right, so now we can do the finish off of the video. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. If you like this now, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good one.